In the world of project management, managing your finances is just as critical as managing your tasks. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or part of a larger enterprise, keeping track of what you sell, your items and services, is fundamental for accurate invoicing, insightful reporting, and smart business decisions. FreshBooks is a popular accounting software that simplifies many of these financial processes. But what happens when you need to get your list of items and services out of FreshBooks? Perhaps you're migrating to another system, conducting an in-depth analysis in a spreadsheet, or simply want a backup. As a project management expert, I can tell you that the ability to export your data is crucial for data portability and flexibility. While FreshBooks excels at creating and managing invoices, tracking time, and organizing expenses, its direct export options for a comprehensive list of just items and services can sometimes be less straightforward than you might expect for other types of data. Let's break down how you can approach this, focusing on practical methods. Understanding FreshBooks' data export approach. FreshBooks is designed with a strong emphasis on ease of use for day-to-day operations. This means that while you can certainly manage your items and services within the platform, the primary way to extract data often involves exporting reports that contain this information, rather than a single, dedicated items and services list export button. This approach isn't necessarily a limitation, but it requires understanding where your data lives and how to best extract it. Think of it like this: your items and services are the building blocks of your invoices and projects. FreshBooks typically provides ways to export the completed structures, like invoices or reports, which then implicitly include the details of the items and services used within them. Method 1. Exporting reports that include items and services. The most common and effective way to get your items and services data out of FreshBooks is by utilizing its reporting features. Many reports will list the services and items you've used, often along with their rates, quantities, and associated revenue. Here's a general approach. Navigate to the Reports section. In your FreshBooks account, look for the Reports section in the left-hand navigation menu. This is your go-to place for financial insights and data extraction. Explore relevant reports. Invoice Details Report. This report is often the best starting point. It provides a detailed breakdown of all your invoices, including the line items, your items and services, on each. You can filter this report by date range to capture all instances of your items and services over a specific period. Revenue by item/service report. Depending on your FreshBooks plan, you might have a report specifically designed to show revenue generated by each item or service. This is incredibly useful for analyzing which of your offerings are most profitable. Time Entry Details Report. If your services are primarily time-based and you track time directly in FreshBooks, this report will detail all your time entries, which are linked to your services. Apply filters. Crucial step. Before exporting, use the filter options within the report. Date range. Select a broad date range, e.g., all time or last 12 months, to ensure you capture all your items and services that have been invoiced. Other filters. Depending on the report, you might be able to filter by client, project, or team member. While these might not be directly relevant to just the items and services, they can help narrow down the data if you're looking for specific subsets. Export the report. Once you've configured the report to your liking, look for an Export or More Actions button, usually located at the top right of the report view. FreshBooks typically offers options to export as a CSV file, comma-separated values, or sometimes PDF. For data analysis or migration, a CSV file is almost always what you want, as it can be easily opened and manipulated in spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets.